Welcome to InnovEngine. Explore the future of mobility with groundbreaking vehicles. The Dacia Sandrider is built to dominate Dakar 2025, while GenRight Suspension Systems excel in any terrain. The Apocalypse Sinister 6 brings unstoppable 6x6 power, and the Polaris XPEDITION ADV 5 NorthStar redefines adventure touring. Witness the Morgan Plus 4 CXT and off-road icon Reborn. Discover the Rheinmetall Mission Master XT, a cutting-edge autonomous platform, and the DT30PM, the ultimate amphibious transporter. Stay tuned for more. Dacia has unveiled the Sandrider for Dakar 2025, a specially designed rally car built to tackle the harsh Sahara Desert. With a powerful engine and enhanced suspension, the Sandrider promises exceptional performance, handling rugged terrain with ease. Focused on durability and stability, it ensures teams can face the toughest challenges of the Dakar Rally. From rocky trails to high-speed desert runs, GenRight suspension systems are truly above the rest. Engineered with precision, these suspension systems are built to withstand the most demanding terrains and conditions. Whether you're navigating through boulder-filled trails, climbing steep hills, or pushing the limits in high-speed desert races, GenRight ensures that your vehicle maintains exceptional control, stability, and comfort. Their advanced design incorporates top-quality materials that not only enhance performance, but also increase durability, making them the perfect choice for off-road enthusiasts who demand nothing less than the best. With a focus on providing superior handling, these suspension systems are optimized to tackle anything from sharp rocks to sandy dunes, giving you the confidence to take on any challenge with ease. Check it out and experience how GenRight suspension systems elevate your off-road adventures to the next level. The Apocalypse Sinister 6x6 truck is a powerhouse built for extreme off-road performance. With 6 wheels for maximum traction, it conquers rocky trails, mud, and dunes effortlessly. Its aggressive design and heavy-duty suspension make it an imposing force, while the powerful engine ensures it tackles any obstacle with ease. Perfect for those seeking power, durability, and style in any terrain. The 2024 Polaris XPEDITION ADV 5 NorthStar offers a range of premium features that many off-road enthusiasts find worth the price. This model stands out with its advanced suspension system, designed to handle a wide variety of terrains, from rocky trails to deep mud. It also boasts a powerful engine that ensures reliable performance in challenging conditions. The NorthStar Edition takes it a step further, offering added comfort with heated seats, premium interior features, and a weather-resistant design, perfect for long rides in any season. The vehicle is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including GPS navigation, advanced safety features, and rugged build quality, making it a reliable companion for off-road adventures. While its price may be higher compared to other models, the combination of performance, comfort. The Morgan Plus 4 CXT launch film beautifully showcases a perfect fusion of classic design and modern performance. This special edition of the iconic Morgan Plus 4 is built for the adventurous spirit, offering a thrilling driving experience off the beaten path. Featuring rugged enhancements like a specially tuned suspension, off-road tires, and additional reinforcements, the CXT is ready to tackle various terrains, from winding mountain roads to challenging dirt tracks, all while maintaining the elegant charm that Morgan is known for. The launch film highlights the vehicle's exceptional handling, navigating through breathtaking landscapes with ease and precision. It also shines a spotlight on Morgan's dedication to craftsmanship, blending traditional techniques with innovative design elements. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply want a vehicle that combines style, performance, and reliability, the Morgan Plus 4 CXT is an extraordinary choice that elevates both off-road capabilities and iconic roadster aesthetics. The Rheinmetall Mission Master XT is an advanced autonomous platform built for rugged environments and diverse military and industrial tasks. Featuring AI-driven autonomy and cutting-edge sensors, it can perform operations like logistics, surveillance, and reconnaissance. With its robust design, the Mission Master XT can carry heavy payloads and navigate complex terrain with ease, offering innovative solutions to enhance operational efficiency, safety, and versatility in the field. The DT30PM is an upgraded articulated tracked amphibious transporter designed for extreme mobility in both land and water environments. With enhanced performance capabilities, it can carry heavy loads across challenging terrains such as snow, marshes, and rugged landscapes, as well as float in water. Its articulated design allows for better maneuverability, while the robust tracks provide stability and traction. Ideal for military, rescue, and industrial applications, the DT30PM ensures reliable transportation in the most demanding conditions, offering versatility and durability.